So on this window, you want to click on Federal button at the left side of your screen, and you want to click on Other Tax Situations. Then tap on the Keep Going button. Right here, you can just click on No, and same as this one, just choose No as an answer. Until you come to this question, you want to choose Yes as an answer. This way you can transfer your return to next year. Other question than this. You can always choose No as answer until at the very bottom of question. Just click on Continue. After you answer all that question, you will be directed to this page, and you want to tap on Additional Tax Payments button. Just scroll down a little bit, and you will see this option called Apply Refund to Next Year. You want to click on the Start button besides it. After this, you can decide whether how much you want to transfer your refund on next year, so on and so forth. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.